Hey guys, today's video takes us to the Miami Beach Boardwalk, which is a new area that stretches from South Pointe all the way up to 79th Street. So we're gonna bike it right now and see what that's all about. It is absolutely windy out here. This is crazy. And we're off. It's less windy over here. So as I was explaining, this is mid-beach, so we're at like 40th Street, 38th actually, it says it right here. And it goes all the way to 79th Street on the north side and South Pointe on the south side. So that's the southernmost part of South Beach. It's a really nice park, so I'm gonna show you guys that if you've never been. This spot is not fully completed. As you can see on the side, they had some fences that we had to go through. The beach is to our left. Actually, let's check this out over here. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. Miami Beach, perfect weather, breezy conditions. Follow me on Instagram, OfficialJoelF. I'm always posting while I'm on my bike rides or just like anything that I'm doing. Even like local news, national news. If you're not even from Miami, that's cool. I got a post for everything. What the hell? Those two cats are just brawling in there. We are now in South Beach, running parallel to Ocean Drive. Here you'll find a lot of hotels, restaurants, clubs. This is where the bulk of the tourists come when they visit. This weekend is the Wine and Food Festival, very famous festival that happens every year here in South Beach. A lot of people look forward to it. World-class chefs like Bobby Flay, Guy Fieri come and host exhibits where you can try out the food they make. Very pricey, like $200 to $300 to see those kinds of chefs and taste their food, but hey, if you got the money, come do it. Sometimes it don't shine, no it don't shine. Sometimes it's alright, it's alright. Things I can't control, let it go. Just made it to South Pointe. My bike is in the back. My ass hurts. It was tiring. It was like 2.9 miles, so I'm rewarded with this view. Fun fact about this island over here. It's called Fisher Island, and it's the richest zip code in the United States. Seriously, and you can only get there by boat. So even if you have a car there, you have to get on a boat with your car and transport it to the mainland. There's a couple of cruise ships docked over there, and they've been rotating year-round since the pandemic started. They're not sailing with customers or anything like that. It's just, I guess they have to do maintenance or something like that. They're docked, and it's not always the same one. Here's another iconic part of South Pointe. Park the bike on the side. So a ton of spacious areas that have a picnic. There's actually over there a setup that I think is a service, like a picnic you can book. Alright, I think we're gonna head back. It's gonna be another about 25-minute ride. Guys, the best time to come to South Pointe if you are coming by car is probably very, very early in the morning or on a weekday, because there is traffic to park. There's a line to park. As I said, it's not wise to come here on a Saturday afternoon. I'm not sure if this is the case everywhere else, but over here you can take up an entire lane on your bike. There's even signs on the ground for bikes.
I brought my drone and I thought I would be able to fly it over the food festival because the tents are massive and they span a lot of blocks. But this wind just won't let up.
I don't know what's going on, not sure what happened, but it shows that Miami Beach Police is not playing any games, especially on a crowded weekend. I'm telling you, they're not playing this weekend and the next. They've got multiple prisoner vans, multiple marked cruisers undercover, and obviously this really big command center with surveillance. See, there are red and purple flags out, so that means high hazard and dangerous marine life, according to that sign. That is super cool. Alright, looks like the GoPro died, so we are going to be sticking to the main cam until we get back. We're by like 26th Street, so. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. I just made it back. I think it took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours total between riding over there and then going to South Pointe, relaxing, showing you guys what that park has to offer, and then riding all the way back. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome again, and thank you for tuning in for another video. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and check out my other ones because I do explore Miami Beach, state parks, national parks across Florida. I even got some hiking videos from Colorado, so feel free to check them all out and subscribe.